Hello, hey everyone. I am from the team Crewmates, and my name is Joshua. I worked on this project with two other teammates, Jen and Jason. When you first load up the site, you'll be greeted by the dashboard page. This page will show the metrics for the applications and projects that we felt were most important. And the way we went about this app, we decided to use Material UI in designing the layout and for other components such as the cards you see here. And so basically we just have basic metrics. We included the time model as a bar chart. We show the year, we show how many applications are currently active from each year. So for example, we have 10 applications that are currently still active that were made in the year 1990. We have a bar chart that shows each of the business criticality of the applications provided they have any data. And there's also a drop down to get more information for those who may look at this and say, what do each of these labels mean? We have it provided here for them to read, and then you can click it away. And then we have other metrics such as a table that's a measure of the functional and technical rating of the applications. We show a pie chart to show for projects how many have a projected completion date, a cancel date, or if they're missing data on either of the two. And then the last one, we have a line chart. This one is for projects. There's a drop down to show more information about what each of the business values mean. So basically each line is a different business value, either a significant, large, little, or marginal value, and it's comparing how many projects have a severe, high, moderate, or low risk. So for example, for the significant business value, there are 9 applications that have a severe risk and a significant business value. And to draw these charts, we decided to use D3JS for all of the charts here on the dashboard and in a few of the other visuals we can see later. So we can go on over to the left to go to the IT roadmap. For this, the application roadmap, we list the lifespan of all the applications that have both an active date and end-of-life date provided. We can also click on any of the applications, which will show a pop-up with more information, such as the exact date if it wasn't too easy to see, along with the name in case it gets cut off because the bar is too small, along with the department and other metrics about it. Now we can also go to the application grid. This shows a matrix showing, once it loads up, showing the applications by departments on the left and their leading business capabilities on the top. So we can scroll down, we can see a few applications show up. Clicking on an application, just like the IT roadmap, provides a pop-up with more information about it. And each of the apps are highlighted a different color that responds to the view that we're looking at. So right now we're looking at the time tag, and each label, each color represents the labels shown here. We can change the view so that we can see it by business criticality, functional fit, technical fit, any of these 4. And the colors update along with the titles of the labels. And then we can go to Major Information Systems Roadmap. This we list each MIS application one after the other. We show the legacy application, any projects, and the modern application itself. And then it is represented as either a circle, that is in case it doesn't have an start and end life cycle, or we represent it as a rectangle if it has both dates provided. Okay, so just going through, we can see a few of the different applications. We can see, for instance, this one has no projects related to it. It has 2 legacy applications that are going to be modernized to make this one. And then the length of the bar chart is dependent on when it was started. So this one, for instance, started in 1990 and has a projected end of life somewhere around 2023. Okay, and then we can go on to the departments hierarchy. For this, we decided to use React D3 tree package to show this visualization, which is of each department's and agency's their applications, if they have any. This is to give users a different way to visualize the data that could be either easier for them to understand, or see relations clearly, or easier way to see how many applications each department has. And right now, unfortunately, it is taking a long time to load. It didn't do this before, so hopefully we can get it working by the time we upload our project. Okay. And then just one more thing to show. Unfortunately, I have to close the tab because it's taking too long. Okay, we decided to make the app mobile friendly. Yep. So then on a mobile phone, if users decide to view this app that way, they can be provided with a nice experience. Everything scales nicely. That's one of the nice things about using D3.js. And you can zoom in case it's too small to look at. Yep, we made sure to do it for each of the tabs in this little hamburger. And that was our project. Thank you for your time.